Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. There is, on the way back from where we are paddling today, a geocache. So let me just find it on here. There it is. Amy's 7th birthday cache. So gonna go and have a look for this. It is about 1.3 kilometers away from where we are now. That should be on the screen for you. Right, let's go and have a look. I'm out paddling with Kiefer Locks today. We've had a nice little jaunt. About 700 metres away. Lovely day today. Quite an impressive looking house here on the right hand side. We're about 430 metres away, not far to go. Got to admit, I do quite like doing some geocaches on the water side as I'm kayaking. It's quite good fun.
It's close to here, is it?
Yeah, about 400 metres.
Right, okay.
There's a few boats moored up here on the right hand side, quite a few actually. In fact, these kind of lead us up to the bridge where the cache is supposed to be. Washing up bowl there in the canal. Absolute madness, I tell you.
One step beyond.
There are some lovely boats down here, gotta admit. I like that one, especially with the wood cab and the washing on the back, handy. Now, for you geocachers who've come to me for the first time and this is the first video you've watched, I bet you've never seen a geocaching video like this before, or if you have, not many, right? Millennium Falcon. Just under 100 metres away. And there's a bridge coming up and I believe it's in this area. So I'm going to be getting out in just a second to have a look. There's no muggles around. Found it, found it, found it. Now unfortunately there was no log in there, so I can't say my usual sound. It logged it, popped it back. I've popped it back. I've messaged the CO to let him know that it needs a new log putting in. I don't have anything with me to do that with, unfortunately, because I'm out in the boat. But hey, it's the way it goes, isn't it? Anyway, I just wanted to share my enjoyment of kayaking and geocaching. So just a short video. I hope you've enjoyed this. You know what to do. Blah blah blah, like, subscribe, etc, etc, if you like what I'm doing. And check out my other geocaching videos. They all run in sequence from day one when I was a virgin geocacher up until today. Anyway, you take care of yourself. Might be a bit of footage of after this of the trip back, because it's a nice day out. See you later. Alright, good thing for me today is the wind is behind us now, but I've also got an electric fin in the boat, so I can power up and catch Mark up ahead there. So, drive, and then sport mode. Let's go. As funny as this. Yeehaw! Anyway, we're just approaching the lock where I've got to get out and move the boat.